Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Clixtell Reviews. Competitors, bots, and click farms clicking on your ads cause damage to your business by spending money on fraudulent activity. 1 out of every 4 clicks is defined as click fraud, costing businesses around the world billions of dollars every year. Who's clicking my ads? Competitors. It's a known strategy that competitors click on your paid ads so they will go offline. Click farms. Click farms are organizations that can produce thousands of clicks in minutes. Bots. Over 36% of web traffic is generated by automatic bots and scripts. Clixtell compare plans. In short, Clixtell has 3 main pricing options. The first one, basic, is $15 per month. The second package is called standard, and the price is $50 per month. The last option is agency, which is $75 per month. You will get unlimited domains for up to 10,000 clicks. Preventing click fraud on Google Ads and Bing Ads is just one piece of the puzzle. Clixtell provides 24/7 click fraud detection, automated click fraud protection, video screen recorder, conversion intelligence, click-to-call ads tracking and recording, refund claim reports. Thank you. I hope that information helped. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Clixtell and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.